So, sleuth. SLEUTH. O yung sleuth na tinatawag. Yung sleuth, para ka daw para ka daw naghahanap ng sagot sa isang crime. Or para kang or yun yung synonym for a private detective, yung sleuth. So ayan, so baga carefully kine-carry out mo yung paghahanap ng sagot para ma-solve yung isang crime o yung isang mystery. Ayan. So yung mga utak investigador ang tawag yan sleuth, but definitely kung itatranslate mo as a noun or as a person, sleuth is a private detective. So yan, lumalawak na naman yung ating English vocabulary ngayong Monday. No? Lumalawak yan. So gumaganda yung ating vocabulary kasi lumalawak every day. So yun lang po.